Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Arlene right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the new Dragon Ball Z jersey. Peep it. And peep the baby.
He'll be here in 2.5 months.
You know why she's
Baby
wearing that?
Earthski.
You know why she's wearing that orange jersey? Tell him.
Because he's going to be this for Halloween.
And?
He matches the skyline.
Yeah, you got it the first try. Yo. Alright guys, so like I promised you guys, we're on our way to go look at the GTR. It's a surprise I've been telling you guys about. And that is the surprise. It's the world's cheapest GTR in the United States. And me and Boo Thang copped it before anybody else did. So we're super excited to get this project started. But first we gotta finish our R34 and then we're gonna build this car. Initially we bought this car. Well, she pretty much bought it. I helped her pay for it, and the goal is to build this car for our son. And it's gonna be his little toy for when he's in high school. I don't know if we're gonna spoil him by buying him this car, but I know he's gonna be happy to have it. I hope. If not, I'm gonna just be whipping it when I'm old, or she can have it.
You hear that, son? Almost here.
But we're almost there. We're like 10 minutes away from it, and I'm excited to show you guys this up close. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, like I promised you guys, I'm here with the GTR sitting at, and it's kind of beat, and I told you guys it's the cheapest GTR probably in the US, and I'm super excited to show you guys this. So here it is. So like I told you guys, this is probably one of the cheapest GTRs you could possibly get in the United States, because they're going up, man. They're just slowly going up. I've seen some for 25 and up to 30 to 40 to 50 grand. This one, I literally got it for $3,500, and to me it's pretty cheap. It doesn't need a lot of work. It doesn't have an engine. It needs some, I'd say the paint is fine, but I really want to change the orange because it doesn't really fit me. The wheels aren't the greatest wheels. It needs a wing. So I'm slowly gonna put up a wing. I'm gonna get it all painted. I'm gonna get the RB26 for it. We're also actually thinking about putting RB25 Neo. I don't know what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think I should put in it. Maybe I could put a 1JZ or 2JZ in it. Definitely need to get new wheels for it. I need to get the front bumper painted. It came with extra little parts here and there, but the interior is pretty dope. So let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, it's got several keys. So check out the interior. It's pretty, I'd say it's in pretty good condition for the price I paid for it. Let me see. It's got extra cover lights for the rear, for the tail lights. The seats are in pretty good condition. What do you guys think? Steering wheel could be in better shape. Honestly, I can't wait to be driving this beast, man. I can't wait. Hopefully by next summer this car is up and running, and it's gonna be pretty dope. Get it running like that. If I had bread just to boom drop it, I'd have the 32 and the 34. Me and my wife could just be cruising down the highway in our little Skyline. This was actually my dream, to have this car and the 34. So the dreams do come true, so don't ever forget, follow your dreams, because things can really happen if you really work hard towards it. So look at me, I'm living my dream. So this car is pretty sick. I'm gonna show you guys the little things I want to do to it slowly, so let's check it out. Guys, check out this engine bay. It literally has all the wiring it needs for the RB26. So the guy who had it before gave up on the build, so he just sold the RB26. I don't know who he sold it to, but he sold it and he just gave up on the project. So I basically bought it off of him, the shell, and just gonna start it on my own. So definitely gonna put the RB26 in here. Within time, I'm gonna get it running, hopefully by next summer. Like I said, came with the front bumper. The guy gave it to me. Definitely gonna get this painted. Once the whole car is painted, I'm gonna just get it all one color, just like the 34, a million colors. So yeah guys, comment down below what color you guys want to see the 32 GTR. Who would win, this or that? Probably this one for now. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy the view of the GTR. And if anyone wants this, let me know. Probably give it to you guys for like 50 bucks. Came off the 34. Oh my god, I just can't stop looking at this beast. For the price I paid, I just can't wait to get it up and running. Alright guys, well, I'm about to head out. I'm glad you guys watched this video, and I hope you guys like the GTR and can't wait to start the build. Go ahead, follow the build, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. Just got back home from scoping out the Skyline. I wanted to show you guys that cool little thing I purchased, and I'm super excited to get it finished. We'll start it and then finished. And she's the one who basically got it. She wants it. She wants to. She's using me. She's using it just to get a Skyline. She used me. No, I'm just kidding. But we want to get it for the baby. For when he gets older, he has a dope little car to match his daddy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to follow your dreams, and
bye.
Peace.